Kiesee Falls first, but
yes, this is sort of an accident.
we were gonna do Kiesee Falls and then Courthouse, but we somehow passed the trailhead without seeing it, so we're just doing Courthouse first.
And this back road is a little bad, so we didn't want to have to backtrack and come back again. So.
Yes, I'm dreading driving back out. Actually.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day.
Yes, and this is a gorgeous river. So
yeah, it really is.
We've done this fall before, but
and it's pretty short. How long is it?
I think 0.6.
Yeah, short.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Easiest.
Okay, it does make more sense. Red blaze. Okay, red blaze, going this way. Okay, so we're attempting to find Kiesee Falls. We think that's how it's pronounced. It's lightly trafficked, and it looks
this trail looks very lightly trafficked.
I have never heard of it before. I just happened to stumble upon it, so
yeah, this should be fun.
This is our attempt.
This is a cool little trail.
Trail. Okay, now we can move in and talk about this.
Okay, this trail. Oh.
There are so many. Don't get me.
Hello, hello.
Oops. So many trees falling over that we're having to climb through.
Yeah, this trail. Oh my goodness.
Well, they weren't lying when they said lightly trafficked.
Oh my.
More, like you can, as far as you can see, there's like more trees down.
Oh my gosh. Oh. If anyone has a chainsaw they want to bring. Thought it might be like an off.
Okay. So we think this is probably where you get to the base of the falls.
So it's kind of an offshoot of the regular, well, if you call that a trail.
Should we tie a ribbon on it?
Oh yeah. All right. We're going to tie a ribbon. Somebody put a rock stack there. Maybe that means the same thing.
Oh yeah. I'm going to tie a ribbon.
Anyways, it sounds right. It's very steep. Ah! I'm sliding. Oh. Okay, skid mark. It's very muddy right here.
I'm not holding that. Okay.
All right, we're gonna wade across.
Oh my hand. Oh my word, that.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
Two different falls.
Amazing.
Basically.
And there's some, like, see the top part too, how it's all jumping around?
Yeah.
Okay, this part is really steep. Okay, wrapping up.
All right, so we just did Kiesee Falls. This trail is a nightmare. There are trees down. We are like bleeding and scratched up.
Yeah,
really
our hair
badly.
is all picked out.
Yeah, we've got branches in our hair.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
But that waterfall was amazing.
Yeah, it was gorgeous.
That might be one of my absolute favorites that we've ever done.
Yeah. So it's worth it.
It is worth it.
Make sure
But yeah, Courthouse was beautiful. It said it's heavily trafficked, but today it wasn't.
No.
And it's Saturday, and it's gorgeous. So
yeah.
I guess we got lucky in that. And we passed a fall on the way here that's on the side of this road, we're gonna try to stop and get to it.
See if we can get some good shots of it.
Okay, so here's the waterfall that we saw from the road.
It looks amazing in real life.
It is so tall and gorgeous, but you cannot see it.
Especially the way the sun is shining.